So in this tutorial, we will do some examples, okay, about vectors operations. Okay, these are just the basic operations of vectors addition and scalar multiplication. Okay, so it says perform the indicated vector operation if it is defined. Okay, so it says, let me split it into two. If it is defined. Okay. Often when it says when it is defined, it means, when the number of entries corresponds. Okay. So the first operation is, it says we have 211 plus 304. Okay, so we ask to find that the addition of these two vectors. So what we do, we add them entry by entry. Okay, sorry for doing these basic operations, but hey, sometimes you have to do the baby steps. It's 5. 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay. The next operation is 5 times 4 minus 1. Okay, so this is scalar multiplication. So what we do, we do 5 multiplied by 4, that's multiplication, and 5, sorry. And okay, so maybe let me use small brackets. So 5 multiplied by 4 and 5 multiplied by minus 1. It is equal to 20 minus 5. Okay, so that operation is defined. The first one is also defined because the two vectors have the same number of components, or they have the same dimensions. This new one is a linear combination. So, well, so we have 2 times 1, 2 plus 3 times 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what we have to do is the first operation is 2 times 1. We have 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus, if you recall from primary school or early secondary school years, we know how to carry out these operations. We have done something like BIMDAS or BEMDAS for some people. BIMDAS, so we do the brackets operations first, followed by indices, multiplication, division, and addition. So here we have to follow the same rule, okay, the laws of operations, the same law, the law of operations, so the same law. That means we need to do the multiplications before the addition. So we need to do the scalar multiplication before to do the vectors addition. So here as well for the second vector, 3 times 1, 2, 3 is 3, 6, and 9. And now to do the addition, you see that we cannot do it, not defined, because the first vector has 2 elements or 2 components, and the second vector has 3 components. So this is not defined. Okay. And let's finish with the fourth operation. We have 6. These operations are very easy. We just have to do a quick revision to be able to write our solution set in a more elegant way. Okay, 203 plus 2 times 115. Okay, so let me choose here. For the first vector, we have 18, 6, 6, minus, or let me write plus here, minus 8, 0, minus 12. Okay, and for the third vector, we have 2, 2, 10. That is 12. So now we can add the components entry by entry on entry by entry basis. So 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 2 is 12. 6 plus 0 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 minus 12 is minus 6 plus 10 is 4. Okay, so I think we are going to stop here. This is a very short tutorial and very easy. Okay, so I will see you in the next video for the lecture. Thanks.